Hey everybody, just wanted to circle back with you. A few weeks ago I built a raised planter bed constructed of cedar, and in the meantime I ordered a couple more, so now I have a total of 3 of them. And I started seeds inside with my kids, which were super fun. We've been watching them grow over the past about 4 weeks now, so it's really a great project for you to do with your children. Just amazing to watch a seed grow into a sprout and then grow into your food. I mean, what's better than that? The other great thing about having raised beds is the soil that you put in. This is all organic soil, and you got to think about it. Whatever your food is grown in, that is what you're going to intake into your body. So having organic soil is going to give you all those minerals and nutrients and the flavor. It's not replaceable. I also wanted to mention, I think a few of you know my husband's from England, and what we do every summer is go to Kew Gardens, which is part of the Royal Botanical Gardens, and it's just a great place. I bought this cookbook years ago, and it's a story inside of like how a seed starts from soil and why it's important. And then also there's a ton of great kids recipes that, you know, your kids could get involved, and just showing them how to cook is a very important life skill, so I'd check it out. I like to stage the plants. You could always adjust them before you put them in. You want to think about how tall something's going to get. You want to put the shorter plants in front and larger plants in back. We have basil. This is parsley. So some of these I've bought and some of them I've grown by seed. Lettuce. I have thyme, rosemary. This is lemon balm. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I love that. And then here we have some oregano. So I know the oregano is going to stay small, so I'm going to put it by the edge and it can cascade over. These are jalapeno peppers that I could use in salsa. Love them. How awesome is that? These are cucumbers. They're not ready yet. They need to grow a little bit more. This is little baby cilantro. We love making sauce in this family. Down here, I'm gonna do all tomatoes. In front, why not put some lettuce? Next, let's get these plants in the soil. Like any plant, you squeeze off the pot, tease the roots, just so they can reach out into the soil. And then dig a hole, and it's really easy to dig when you have a raised bed because I just put the fresh soil in here, okay? So I'm gonna go along and do that for each of these. Squeeze the pot, tease the roots, put it in its new home. Herbs like to be pinched back. The more you pinch them back, the fuller the plant will get. You're gonna train your tomatoes up. They're gonna need a stake. Cucumbers as well. This is something your kids are gonna absolutely love. These are called nasturtiums. They're an edible flower. Who would think that that would turn into a beautiful flower? Make a little trench and take each seed and place them. Once they're all in, just lightly rake the soil over them, just like that. Last step is to give everything a good drink of water. I really hope you and your kids have a great time because it's fascinating watching things grow, okay? So my next job is, I think I need to paint my fence. What do you think? Bye.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.